Let's meet Lonicera japonica. Lonicera japonica is an invasive vine, the Japanese honeysuckle. And as an invasive species, it grows many places but seems to thrive in disturbed areas. Here we are on a power line off of 4th Street in Hattiesburg, and there are many other invasive species that we find here. There's a Chinese tallow tree. There's a lot of mimosas around the side of this field as well. Lonicera japonica is quite easy to identify in the springtime with its distinctive white flowers that turn to a yellowish color as they mature and begin to senesce. You can see the distinctive exserted stamens. These are the flowers that children often bite off the bottoms of and suck out the nectar inside. Lonicera japonica is also easy to identify without flowers. It is an aggressive twining vine. Here you can see the vine is twining around just some old grass actually in this field. It has opposite leaves, and these leaves right here are sort of the distinctive normal leaves that we find with Lonicera japonica. But Lonicera japonica is known for having highly variable leaves. So these, again, normal leaves, but you look down here and you can find these weirdly lobed leaves such as that on the same vine. The vines themselves, when they're young, are fairly distinctive. You can see this sort of pubescent purple nature that is quite distinctive. As the vines get older, they're going to have a little bit of peeling bark that resembles hydrangea. And this particular patch has been mowed fairly regularly, so we don't have any stems or vines that are that old. Oh, I take that back. Let me go over here, and there we go. I spoke too soon. Here we can see an older stem of Lonicera japonica. Let's see if I can pull it out of this blackberry patch so we can see it. There we go. And you can see that sort of distinctive shreddy peeling bark that we find on the older stems. But again, the younger stems are going to have that sort of purplish color, transitioning to sort of a greenish brown, and then as they get older, that shreddy nature to them.